Let's dive into the Enigma of Abu Simbel, a place where history and mystery intertwine. Imagine a colossal temple carved out of a mountainside standing tall against the sands of time. Intrigued? You should be. This is just the beginning of our journey into the heart of ancient Egypt. Echoes of a mighty pharaoh resonate through these ancient walls. Ramesses II, a name synonymous with power and grandeur, left his mark here. But what secrets did he leave behind? Let's find out. The story of Abu Simbel begins in the 13th century BC, during the reign of Pharaoh Ramesses II. Abu Simbel is more than just stone and sand. It is a testament to the divine right of kings, a symbol of Egyptian might. Strategically placed on the southern border of Egypt, it served as a stern warning to potential invaders, and a beacon of dominance to neighboring kingdoms. Within its colossal form, intricately carved into its sandstone facade, lies a deep reverence for the divine, dedicated to Amun, Ra-Horakhti, and Ptah. Ready to uncover the layers of history? The vision of Ramesses II was nothing short of extraordinary. His ambition knew no bounds. He envisioned a temple that would embody the glory of his reign and stand as a testament to his legacy for generations to come. What drove this pharaoh to create such a marvel? For decades, thousands of skilled artisans and laborers toiled tirelessly, carving and shaping the unforgiving rock into a masterpiece of ancient engineering and artistry. Twice a year, on dates carefully calculated by the temple priests, something extraordinary occurs at Abu Simbel. As the first rays of dawn break over the horizon, they penetrate deep into the heart of the temple, illuminating the inner sanctum. The statues of Amun, Ra-Horakhti, and Ramesses II himself are bathed in a golden light, their faces seemingly coming alive. Only Ptah, the god of the underworld, remains shrouded in shadow, a reminder of the balance between light and darkness, life and death. This celestial alignment defies logic and inspires awe, baffling historians for centuries. How did they do it? For millennia, Abu Simbel stood defiant, a silent sentinel guarding the secrets of a bygone era. But in the 20th century, this ancient wonder faced a threat unlike any it had encountered before: the rising waters of the Nile. The construction of the Aswan High Dam threatened to submerge Abu Simbel beneath a watery grave. In a monumental feat of engineering, the entire temple complex was carefully dismantled, cut into thousands of blocks, and moved to higher ground. This colossal undertaking ensured that Abu Simbel would continue to inspire and amaze generations to come. How did they pull off such a Herculean task? Through meticulous planning, innovative engineering, and the dedication of countless workers, this modern miracle was achieved. Guardians of eternity, the statues of Abu Simbel stand as sentinels of time. They have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, and their gaze remains unyielding. These imposing figures, carved with astonishing detail, serve as eternal guardians of the sacred space within. Their sheer scale speaks volumes of the pharaoh's power and ambition, while their serene expressions hint at the divine authority he believed he possessed. What stories do they hold? Whispers of gods and kings echo through the halls of Abu Simbel. This temple is a bridge between the mortal and the divine, a place where legends come to life. Every surface is adorned with intricate carvings and hieroglyphics, each one a piece of a grand narrative that unfolds before your eyes. Are you ready to listen? A short distance from the main temple lies a smaller yet equally exquisite structure, dedicated to Ramesses II's beloved wife, Queen Nefertari. This temple, a testament to the pharaoh's deep affection for his queen, is unique in its own right. Nefertari's beauty and grace are immortalized in the carvings of Abu Simbel. Her statues stand as tall and proud as those of the pharaoh. The temple, adorned with delicate carvings and vibrant colors, is a fitting tribute to a queen who was both powerful and deeply loved. What made her so special in the eyes of Ramesses II? Perhaps it was her unparalleled beauty, her grace, or the deep bond they shared. A legacy etched in stone, Abu Simbel stands as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of ancient Egypt. As we conclude our journey, let's reflect on the marvels we've uncovered and the mysteries that remain. From its awe-inspiring scale to its intricate carvings, this ancient marvel offers a glimpse into the heart of a civilization that continues to captivate and intrigue us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and let us know what other ancient wonders you'd like us to explore.